And the last question is, Ishan does not know the difference between a mono file and a stereo file. Import two different audio files, one mono and one stereo, to show the difference. Take a screenshot of the window and paste them in your notebook. Okay, fine. So here two different types of sounds are being talked about, and that is the mono sound and the stereo sound. We'll go to a new file. Okay, so the mono file and the stereo file, as I've told you in the beginning, we saw that there were two tracks. So when you put a earphone, so what you see is actually so when you put a earphone in your ear, so the left and rights are there. So sometimes normally what happens, both the earphones are playing the same sound in your ear. But if it is engineered sound, if you say means if you buy a original song, normal, if you have pirated songs and all, you will have that normal sound. But if you buy a original song, you will see that the left and right sounds are different. In YouTube also you can find some sounds where you can search for 3D sounds. Okay, you can search for 3D sounds. So 3D sounds are actually, these are not 3D sound. Sound is one dimensional, that is not an 3 dimensional thing. So that monodirectional sound also, what they do is, in the left ear and the right ear, they put different sounds, so you feel like it is surrounded sound. So when it is surrounded sound, you feel like that the sound is traveling from this to this ear, like this, from back of your head or from front of your head. So what is happening is, the volume of this ear is being lowered, sometimes the volume of this ear is increased. So that is called the stereo sound, where the left and right sounds are different, or it can be adjusted, or it is same but there are two left and right sounds. And the mono track is actually only one track will be there, that will be played in both the ear or a single ear. So we'll see the difference when I drag two files in the Audacity. You can understand that. I'll show you in a minute. Go to import audio. Say I import a normal audio. See this one, it is written here that it is a stereo file, 32-bit float, leave all those things. So stereo file. So here you can see this one, these two are connected, this one and this one, this file and this file, two audio tracks are there, both are connected. One is the left ear and one is the right ear. So here both are same, the waveforms are same. So you cannot understand now, but actually see, there are two files. Now if I insert a mono file, see here the mono file, it is written over here mono, and it is no, not this one. You see this mono 44100 hertz, and this is stereo 44100 hertz. Okay, 32-bit float, both are there, but this one is mono and this one is stereo. So you can understand the difference. This one is the stereo file and this one is the mono file. So you need to take the screenshot and paste in the copy, and you have to write the steps. How this one, you need not write any steps, you have to just import it, take a screenshot and put in the copy. So mono file, you need to find a mono file from internet, you need to download a mono file and import it. So you can understand, if it is a mono file, it will have only single track and it will be written here mono, and for stereo it will be having double track and it will be written here stereo. So that much for the in the lab, and question answers you will write by yourself. If you cannot find any answer, you can ask me anytime, and in the next class we'll start with the next chapter, or we'll start with the previous chapter, HTML, something was left out, so we'll start with that. Thank you everyone, you keep practicing this one, it is very useful. You can explore many other things. I am not going in the details because see, you have this much in your syllabus. but this is there is a whole lot of things in this software. If you are interested in sound engineering, then you can definitely go for this software. This is a very good software. You can have you can explore a lot of things. All these things are there. You can go to each of the effects and all, and you can find very interesting ways of mixing and generating audios. Okay, so keep trying. It's your time. You can use them, use it nicely, and you will definitely get interested if you are interested in music and all. Some people who are interested in music, you can put your karaoke along with your sound voices, and you can export those also. Okay, so thank you everyone.